When it comes to factoring polynomials, there are 5 rules that are commonly encountered. You can use them as your tools. Number 1 is this format where you have x squared minus y squared, or any squared minus another squared. This can be factored as such. The second type is x cubed minus y cubed, or any kind of cubed minus another cube. This is equal to x minus y times this. You have x cubed plus y cubed, and this can be expressed factored as such. The next one is x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. This is characteristic of the fact that it contains a term with a cross of x and y. If you have a second order polynomial equation of x squared plus x plus a constant, then you can factor it as such. It consists of x minus the first root times x minus the second root, where the first root is shown here and the second root is shown here. Okay. Thank you.